Police sirens getting louder and louder.
And faster. Okay, I'm going to make a note that we have to work on that.
One by one, police car after police car loudly and quickly sped by the restaurant.
Are they...
It's like a turkey sluice.
Yeah, wait, what was that?
What the hell? I'm not going to be able to get through the whole thing.
I'm not even really sure how to offer some guidance on that one, but okay.
Just across the street, one car skidded right into another car and made a fantastic crash.
That wasn't, comparatively, that was not bad.
Can I hear the skid one more time? Just about the same time, the alarms at the bank started to echo.
What is that? That's not the alarm at the bank. That's a giant robot invading the city.
This is so much worse than I thought it was going to be.
Okay.
It was a bank robbery. Once the police surrounded the bank, the robber started shooting his gun, busting out windows.
Oh, come on.
What type of gun?
What kind
A
of-
machine
yeah.
gun or just a single shot?
Look, you have to let your actors interpret the script.
What is it? What is
What's the difference
That was
between the
glass shattering.
Okay, because my next line was glass was shattering, so you want to do that?
Okay, here.
Glass was shattering everywhere. Okay,
Alright,
hold on. Gun. Shatter. Gun. Shatter.
I need to step in here.
Wait, I need to wipe off my microphone.
Seriously, I think you're seriously 4 feet away from me, and I think I got wet.
I'm sorry. Oh, gosh.
Turning you on too, huh? Alright, so hold on, Bert. I have to step in here.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Kristin,
Yes.
Bert's direction was that the guns were firing and the glass was shattering.
Yes.
Which means it's gunshot window shatter.
Oh.
Gunshot window shatter. It's not gun.
But
gun,
it's
gun.
delayed.
Wait,
It's
no,
like
it's
when
the-
a bullet goes through it and then it starts to like spider out and
No.
then it
You have
right.
another shot at gunfire here.
So, Kristin, gunshot window shatter. Okay, thank you. Go ahead, Bert.
Some policemen on top of the building started returning gunfire, but it's with a different gun than the robber had.
So it's like a gun battle.
Yeah.
Okay, so
A woman on the street was shot in the leg and yelled out in pain.
ah! Ah!
She was shot, Kristin.
I fell down.
Yeah, she was shot.
I did. Oh,
Oh.
crap! Ah!
Let the record show that Kristin literally fell on the floor, not the first time, but both times she did that.
I'm trying to get the character, people.
A baby was scared by the loud noises and started shrieking with fear. What kind of baby was that?
Or the baby cow wanted its milk bottle.
What the hell was that? What?
I don't know.
Actually, hold on, Bert. I'm going to direct you at this one. You read the wrong line.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, what you meant to say is one of the police officers accidentally stepped on a cat.
That's
See?
closer to a baby than a cat. A hostage threw himself into the bank door and it crashed open, falling loudly to the ground.
Boom!
I have nothing.
I got nothing.
I'm going to keep that one.
Oh, do we have the megaphone in here?
Oh,
I forgot to get that.
No.
No? Damn it. Okay. So you're gonna have to just make up that noise. The
Oh,
police
awesome.
captain picked up a megaphone and demanded the robber come out with his hands up.
Robber, come out with your hands up!
And they always refer to the assailant as a
Robber.
robber. Yo, robber!
This is so bad in so many ways.
The robber opened up the creaky bank door and the hostages began to run out the door screaming as they left. Again, gunfire was exchanged! Then a shot sunk into the robber's shoulder, and he thudded to the ground and began screaming in pain. Okay, the SWAT team charged the bank.
Oh my god, that was so bad.